if you are working on a project where storytelling and character voice acting are key, I believe this bit of advice will be super helpful for you. We've mentioned before the importance of incorporating the power of eye contact into our voice acting. You should look towards your audience or imagine speaking to a specific target, like a cup, a book, in this case, a toy, and pretending to direct your words at them, and create an intimate "these words are specifically just between you and me" vibe, so making the interaction feel engaging rather than like you're just talking to yourself. So if you're still unsure what this means, feel free to check out our previous video. And we are going to delve deeper into the use of eye contact. So take this script, for example. So in this script, we see words spoken by a villain character. So unlike speaking directly to a camera or audience when you need to look at the audience, here you need to imagine looking at the character in the story you are addressing. In this case, the superhero. So thus you have to visualize yourself as the villain in the story. When reading this villain script, the word "me" is the villain. So as you read it, you need to embody this villain, making the audience believe that you are the "me" in the script, sharing thoughts or experiences as if they were your own. So all right, I would just use this toy as the superhero. So this is actually the Pinocchio. So I'm going to look at Pinocchio to do this. So now I become the villain. People should know their own limitations. You are too arrogant to challenge my magic. I'm just a little kid. How dare you call yourself a superhero? What is that you're holding? Where did you find that piece of paper? No matter. You will never defeat me. And you can't stop me from ruling the world. Want to give it a try? For more voice acting tips, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit like and share and comment below and tell us about your own practice experiences. My book, The Standout Voice Performance, Step-by-Step Mastering Voice Artistry in the AI Era, is now available for purchase. It's a comprehensive guide designed to elevate your voice acting performance and help you stand out in an ever-competitive world. You can find out more details through the link below the video.